This combination of vitamins, known as Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, provides essential nutrients such as vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and folic acid. These vitamins are important for maintaining good health, especially for those who may have a deficiency. It is recommended to take this multivitamin daily to ensure you are getting enough of these essential nutrients. The best time to take this is with a meal to ensure optimal absorption. Be sure to follow the recommended daily dosage as instructed on the label. When taking Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, it's important to remember to take it by mouth, either with or without food, as directed by your doctor. If you experience any stomach upset, taking the product with food may help alleviate this discomfort. In order to receive the most benefit from this medication, it should be used regularly. To help you remember, try to take it at the same time each day. The dosage of this medication is determined by your medical condition and how you respond to the therapy. It's important to note that the best time to take this medication may vary for different people, so it's best to consult with your doctor to determine the optimal timing for your specific needs. Some common side effects of Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins may include nausea, stomach upset, diarrhea, drowsiness, flushing, and numbness/tingling. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it is because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it is important to seek immediate medical attention if you experience any serious side effects, such as mental/mood changes or unusual weakness. While very rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, it is important to seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, it is important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the optimal timing and daily dosage of Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, it is best to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or the product packaging. Be sure to take it regularly to fully benefit from the vitamins and minerals it provides. Before starting Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have and any inactive ingredients that could cause an allergic reaction. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have certain blood disorders. This medication may cause drowsiness, and it's important to avoid alcohol or marijuana, which can increase drowsiness. It's best to avoid driving or using machinery until you can do so safely. If you're pregnant, talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits of taking this medication. If you're breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. When taking Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with this drug include altretamine, cisplatin, levodopa, when used without carbidopa, folic acid antagonists, such as methotrexate, hydantoins, such as phenytoin, diphenylhydantoin, pyrimethamine. Additionally, this product may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's important to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you use this product. When taking Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, it's important to follow the recommended daily dosage and take it at the optimal timing for best results. This multivitamin provides essential benefits and can support overall health and wellness. Remember to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for any questions or concerns about taking this medication. If someone has taken too much of Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. It's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure the person's safety. It's important not to share this medication with others. Your doctor may want to do lab and/or medical tests while you are taking this medication, such as a complete blood count or checking homocysteine levels. Make sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. While taking this medication, it's still best to get your vitamins and minerals from healthy foods. Try to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines as directed by your doctor. B vitamins, including folic acid, can be found in leafy greens, other vegetables, and citrus fruits. Folic acid is also found in enriched grains such as bread, pasta, and cereal. Some brands of this medication may also contain ingredients like vitamin E, para-aminobenzoic acid, or alpha-lipoic acid. If you have any questions about the ingredients in your brand, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you happen to miss a dose of Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, simply take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is close to the time of your next scheduled dose, then it's best to just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to always follow the recommended dosage instructions on the label. When it comes to storing Westab Mini 2.2 mg, 25 mg, 1 mg tablet multivitamins, it's important to keep them at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Make sure to store them in a place other than the bathroom and keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposal, it's important not to flush these tablets down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to dispose of them. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.